creative people. I'm Sagar. Today we'll start Elementor beginner course. This is completely for beginner. So if you already know Elementor, and then you can also see this course, you might be learn something new. This is completely free and all video will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. So follow me for upcoming videos. Today I will give you some basic understanding of the dashboard and some Elementor settings and some widgets of Elementor. Here is the dashboard for WordPress, and I hope you already know the WordPress installation and you know the dashboard of WordPress, how these menus work. So first we will install Elementor, hover over plugins, add new. So basically, I already have installed Elementor in my WordPress. Search here Elementor. We will find Elementor here. Just like I already installed Elementor and activated it. That's why that's not saying install now. So you will see this kind of install now button. Click on install now, and then you will find the active button. Then click on active, and you will find Elementor in this dashboard menu area. So let's overview the Elementor dashboard. So this is the Elementor settings, general and the integration advanced features. In general, post types. What is this means by post types? In Elementor post types means that in which type of post type you want to see edit with Elementor button. Currently I have set it post and pages. You can also product widgets template, whatever you want. This is Elementor's menu. Submission. Submission means if you use Elementor form, the submission will be listed here. Custom fonts, icon, custom code, role manager. Role manager will show you all of your role manager. You can edit the access of this role. Elementor tool here is general, generate CSS and data, save mode, debug, replace URL. If you migrate from one website to another, you can give old and a new and replace all URL in database. Version control of Elementor. Maintenance mode, if you want to give a maintenance mode in website. We will discuss all of these settings and the main features and advanced feature step by step. Post types, where you want Elementor to load page builder. Integration, here you can integrate Google Map, reCAPTCHA, Facebook SDK, and Active Campaign. Email automation, WooCommerce menu card. We'll see this menu card in later when we work on e-commerce website. In advance, there is some advanced features. We'll discuss this later. And features. Here is ongoing experiment. This is upcoming features of Elementor, and the stable features is listed here. Elementor, one of the most exciting features is Flexbox container, and this is the release candidate. We will learn Flexbox container in later. Currently, we will use Elementor old section and column structure. First of all, let's create a page. Hover over pages and add new. Opening in new tab. I assume you know the basics of WordPress, how to create page, how to create post. Let's give it a name of tutorial 1 and publish. Now click on the edit with Elementor. Now wait for the loading of this page. So basically, whenever you click on edit with Elementor, you will see this kind of interface. So first of all, let's hide this page title. This is the settings of page. Click on here, and this is the hide title. Hide the title, and this is the page layout. Currently, we are seeing header and footer. If you want to landing page where you don't want to show header and footer, you go to page layout, select Elementor canvas. Elementor canvas is there will be no header and footer, just a blank page, this kind of page. Now let's see the interface of the Elementor. There's the elements tab and there's the global tab. In elements tab there will be all kind of widgets listed here. This is the basic of Elementor. I have already installed Elementor Pro, that's why I think this Pro version is unlocked, and WordPress general, and I have others extension for Elementor. That's why I think this. I have already installed WooCommerce for other tutorials. That's already listed in my YouTube channel. You can see others tutorial. Like I already made this tutorial. You can see this like kind of tutorial. Now this is the page settings, and this is the navigator. Navigator means whatever we do, add section, edit section, or different kind of widgets, that all will be listed here. we can navigate through this navigator. That's the history of the page edited. You can revert back to previous state, the responsive mode, and you can see the page responsiveness in different devices like tablet, mobile. By default, this is the desktop mode. Whenever we make any changes in here and you want to see this like as a page, you can click here to see the preview changes. And if you want to see the widgets panel here, just click on this icon and there will be all kind of widgets. And here you will see the site setting, default color, default font, different the background color of whole website. This kind of settings will be here. We will discuss these settings later step by step. So now let's see these three icons. Click this icon because I installed Elementor Kits extension for Elementor. This is the extra plugin. Here you will see some kinds of pre-made templates. We will not use this pre-made template. We will use later. And this is template for Elementor. There are blocks, different kind of pre-made blocks, pages, and my templates. In my templates, we can save our templates for use. For my tutorial, I already created these templates, so you are listing these templates. And if your website is new, there will be no templates for you. So this plus icon is used for creating new sections, and you will see different kind of structure for a section. One column, two column, three column, four column, one small column, one big column, this kinds of structure. You can choose any kind of structure. We can later resize the structure and we can edit the width of any kind of section. For now, I'm taking one column section, and this is the section setting, layout, style, advanced style. In advanced, there is advanced setting for section. In content width, there is two types of width, boxed and full width. You can set any kind of width, and you can see whenever I increase or decrease this, and basically this is the pixel value. If I increase this, you can see this. I don't know you can see this or not. This dotted is increasing and decreasing. Column gap, I have only one column, so there will be no column gap. And this is the height where you can specify fit to screen or minimum height, whatever you want. You can set minimum height like 400, 500, 600 or whatever you want. So I want to keep this default. So there is vertical alignment over first sections and structure. So where you can see this 100% style. We can set background color, background overlay, border, shape divider. In advanced tab, we can use margin padding, and we can use custom CSS ID, CSS classes, motion effects, responsiveness, activities, and custom CSS. Custom CSS is only available for Elementor Pro. Free version of Elementor, you cannot see this custom CSS tab. Now style this section. Go to style tab and the background. Here you can see background color and background image. So first I am setting this background color. You can set whatever you want from here, and you can select a different kind of color, and also you can use your own color. Here I'm using my own color. This is the background color. And if you don't want to use color and you want to use image, you can use image from here. You can upload a file, or already if you have images in here, you can use from here. I'm uploading a new image from here. Let's say I want to use this image. Here is the image, and you can see this image is already loaded here, but you cannot see it properly. Let's change the height of this section. I'm giving it a minimum height of 500, and you can see this image is repeating here. So we can stop this repeating from here. Image size, you can select a different kind of image size from here. Position, the image position will be for center or center left, center right, whatever you want, you can choose from here. I'm choosing center. Attachment, image attachment, scroll, there will be no change in image. Attachment is fixed. Fixed means the image will be fixed, and the section will be overlapped. But for now, I want to keep it as default. And the repeat, no repeat, repeat X and repeat Y. Repeat X means X axis, and repeat Y means Y axis. For now, I don't want any kind of repetition, so I'm setting the no repeat. And for no repeat, you can see this, there will be background color that we set here. But if you want this image to cover the full section area or the section width, you can select this display size. Display size auto means it will take the actual size of the image. Cover means that will cover full section. Now you can see this is the full section. And if you want to set this contain means that this will use the actual width of the image and height. Also, you can use the custom width like this. You can increase and decrease the custom width. For now, I will use cover. And there is the advanced settings, the margin, top margin and bottom margin. You can specify any kind of margin. There will be a margin top and bottom, and if you want to apply this margin only in top, you can remove this bottom. First unlink this and you can set only top margin or a bottom margin. So to understand this margin and padding, let's create another section and give this a section a background color and set its minimum height 200 pixel and add some basic widgets. We will discuss these widgets later. First, let me add some widgets to show you how this margin padding works. So let's edit this section settings. For editing any kind of section, click this icon, go to layout. Here we set this with content width is 800 pixel. Let me use the Elementor default content width, that is 1140 pixel, and this is content width is boxed. Whenever that sets in box, you will see this kind of spacing here, and if we change this from box to full width, you will see this spaces decreased and the text is goes to left. So for now, let's make it boxed. Now let's add margin and padding in this section. Let me give 50 pixel margin top and bottom. Here you can see the space in top and here you can see the space in bottom. Now let's work on the padding. If we give padding, it will take a space inside of the section. To see this padding changes, let's make this section full width. As we give 50 pixel padding in top, bottom, right, left. Now you can see the heading is not. Now you can see here is the space of 50 pixels. So this is for today. We will learn more settings, widgets in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.